Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. Today, I'm going to be trying the T3 Micro Hot Rollers. I know I've tried these before, but I actually got a couple of new sizes. So this is a bigger size that comes with the kit, which I actually have right here. It's a little bit warm because I'm warming them up, but I just decided to get a couple of the smaller ones and just do all my hair with the smaller rollers. So I'm going to show you guys how that's going to look today. I have never done all my hair with just the smaller sizes, so I'm very excited to do that today because I really like these hot rollers, but then these bigger sizes just kind of give me a little bit of a wave, which is fine, but I do prefer more of a curl. So if you guys want to see a video where I use the rollers that come in the kit, like the bigger ones and the smaller ones, I'm going to link that video down below. I actually did that video a couple months ago, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. And tomorrow I'm going to post a very exciting video. Tomorrow I'm going to be posting a comparison video that has been very requested by you guys. So I'm going to be doing one side with the CONAIR hot rollers, which are only 30 bucks, and then the other side with the T3 hot rollers, which are like $130. So about $100 more, but you guys will be shocked with the results. You guys will love that video, so definitely check it out tomorrow. I'm going to be posting it after this one, but I wanted to post this one first just so you guys can see how all your hair would look with the T3 Micro Hot Rollers. So let's get right into the video. Today is Thanksgiving. I know I'm posting this like mid-December. I film a lot of my Vlogmas videos during November. I mean, imagine putting heat on your hair every single day in December. Like, that would just be crazy. So since I post hair videos, I really have to start very early, and yeah, that way I'm able to post all 25 videos in December. But the first thing I want to do is separate this front section from the rest of my hair, because I'm going to do one roller like back. So I'm just going to clip this small section for now, just to kind of separate it from the rest. And they're all warmed up, by the way. I have 2 sets because 8 is not enough for all my hair. So I have 2 sets. I'm going to divide my hair in 2 sections. I'm going to put one side up. So I'm just going to take my hot roller. Wow, it's pretty hot. By the way, if you wanted to get the set and then get more hot rollers, you can definitely get it from the T3 Micro website. These are 20 bucks and they bring 2 of these smaller size, and they do have bigger sizes and even smaller sizes than this one. And it also brings the clips, of course. So I'm going to put the links down below, so definitely check it out. I'm going to take my roller and I'm just going to start rolling my hair. I like to do it up like this. I'm going to try to get all my hair in there. And then I use a clip, and there you go. It's very easy to use. It's like very fast too. I let them set for about 30 minutes. I probably will do more than 30 minutes today just because I want these to last me a very long time, and I'm probably going to add hairspray as well. I'm going to use another one. What I like about these rollers is that they don't get too hot, so you're able to roll them pretty well. I'm going to put another one. I like to roll the ends first and then do the rest of my hair. I actually really like these rollers. I mean, I know they're a little bit pricey, but you guys will see the amount of shine that you're left with when you use these rollers. I'm going to do another section right here. Let me know if you're liking my new background. I don't know, I kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit. I might end up filming some videos with this backdrop because it's still really bright and you guys are able to see my hair pretty well with this backdrop. So I have 3 rollers to go for this side, and I feel like that should be more than enough. I'm gonna do one section right here. I kind of have a long day ahead of me because it's Thanksgiving, so I hope that these curls actually last a pretty long time. I am gonna add hairspray. I want my curls to last. Okay, so this is the last hot roller for this side. This literally takes me like 10 minutes to do. This is definitely a very quick process. You can do stuff around the house if you have to and just have these kind of like set for a little bit, or you can just chill, watch TV. I'm actually gonna do this section. I like that this is not like burning my fingers. Like, it's a little bit hot, but it's not like an exaggeration, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna do this side now. I have about 7 hot rollers left, which is not bad at all. I feel like I'm good with 2 sets, but I guess if you have more hair, if you have longer hair, you might want to get another one, but I think 2 sets is enough for me. The only tricky thing is that since I have layers, it can be a little bit hard sometimes to get all my hair in the hot roller. I'm gonna do this one down here, which I probably should have done before this one, but should be fine. I only have 3 hot rollers left, so so I gotta really think about how I place these and how I put them, because you know, I could technically use some of the big ones that I have, but I'm just gonna do all my hair with the small ones just to really see how my hair turns out. Yeah, only 3 hot rollers left for all this hair. So we're just gonna try and hope that it looks fine. Oh my god, I only have 2 hot rollers left. I definitely didn't do this right because I only have 2 left, but we're just gonna go with it. Gonna take a pretty big section. Ooh, that's huge. But we're just gonna try and see what we can get. I don't want to use more hot rollers. Okay, well, I was able to roll that one. And this is the last one. These are all the same small size. I didn't use any of the bigger ones that I have right here. But anyways, I'll be back with the final look. I'm gonna let these set for about 30 minutes, maybe even more, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna take these off. So I'm gonna take these off right now, and let's see what my hair looks like. So here's the first section. Super cute. Pretty bouncy. You just get like a little bit of a wave, I guess. So I'm not like too impressed with that one. Here's another one. Nice and bouncy. I hope that these curls last me all night. This is another one. There you go. Very nice and shiny. I actually really like that one. I guess I'll do some on this side. Also a little bit of a wave. Nothing crazy. I'm not getting much of a curl. I thought I was gonna get more of a curl. I'm definitely getting some nice waves. I can already tell you that I probably rather use a curling iron and then set my curls for like 30 minutes just so that I can get a tighter curl. With these rollers, you do get a lot of volume. So I'm gonna show you guys at the end how it's gonna look. Ooh, that one's nice. The waves look very natural. There's another one. There's another one. That one's super nice. A lot of volume. Let's see. This one's nice too. Okay, so the last one is this one right here. And let's see what it looks like. What do you guys think? You definitely get a lot of volume, but I feel like these curls won't last me a very long time. But I really do like how my hair turned out. I just feel like I'm gonna have to go in with the curling iron just to get longer lasting results. I like how it looks, but is it gonna last all night? I mean, I should probably just like try it, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm gonna go in with the curling iron just to touch up some of the curls because it looks good, but I just feel like it's gonna fall right away because the curls aren't very tight. I thought I was gonna get smaller curls with the tighter rollers, but yeah, I guess you just get more of like a voluminous look, which I don't mind. I think it looks really nice. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm not like super impressed, I guess, with it, especially considering that it is a little bit pricey, you know. Like, I feel like for that you could just use a curling iron and then clip it with some clips like this and set them for a little bit, and I feel like that's gonna give you a longer lasting curl. I don't know, I'm not like too crazy about it. I thought I was gonna like it even more. I guess everybody's different, and maybe you like this look more than tighter curls. I prefer tighter curls, and I thought I was gonna get tighter curls with the smaller rollers, but I guess I didn't. Let me know in the comments down below. Either way, I'm gonna compare this to the CONAIR hot rollers, so I'm gonna put that video tomorrow. Check it out, and I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. Anyways, subscribe if you're liking my channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is actually tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye-bye.